Hello, this is Betty Bray with Fourth Generation Software, makers of Fitrix ERP. The Fitrix ERP modules can be categorized into three categories: accounting modules, distribution modules, and manufacturing modules. In this presentation, I'm going to give you an overview of the Fitrix ERP accounting modules. From the main menu, I'll select Financial Management. The suite of Fitrix ERP accounting modules consists of General Ledger, Accounts Receivable, Accounts Payable, Payroll, Fixed Assets, Multi-Currency, and Multi-Level Sales Tax. With Fitrix Security, you can block access to any of these modules or any program within the module for any user or group of users. For example, if you only want your accounting department to have access to General Ledger, you can set up security so that only users in group accounting have access to this module. Let's take a closer look at each one. Let's select General Ledger from the Financial Management menu. Fitrix ERP General Ledger provides companies with complete financial reporting from all aspects of the business to manage corporate performance and monitor return on investment. The General Ledger module combines power and flexibility with ease of use to give you the critical information you need to make timely and informed business decisions. Using the Ledger Journal module, you can enter and post journal entries, copy and post recurring journal entries, and automatically reverse any accrual journal entries you may have made. Using the Recurring Documents menu, you can create recurring journal entries that can later be copied and posted at time intervals of your choosing, print information about recurring entries in the database. Using the Ledger End of Period menu, you can run financial reports that detail the financial information created by various Fitrix modules. Let's take a look at the income statement. You can run these reports in detail down to the departmental level or roll up the detail and print in summary format. You can also print this year versus last year comparisons and actual versus budget. Let's go ahead and print a detailed income statement. The print options you have are to print to screen, print to PDF viewer, export to Excel, print to an editing tool such as WordPad, print to either a client or host printer, or email, fax, or store to a file and print later. Let's print to PDF viewer, and we'll run it for our current period. We want to display account numbers, and we don't want to print any accounts that have zero balances. And here is our PDF. From the Ledger End of Period menu, you can also drill down to source documents using the Transaction Drill Down program while reviewing your financial reports. You can also open a new accounting period. There are no hard cutoffs in Fitrix, so you can have multiple periods open, even multiple fiscal years. Let's move on to Accounts Receivable. Fitrix ERP Accounts Receivable provides an effective and organized system for maintaining customer information that in turn leads to effective cash flow management, improved customer service, and profitability. Using the Receivable Ledger menu, you can invoice your customers, enter cash receipts, and create bank deposits for those receipts, print financial information about the activity created by the AR module, create finance charges for late-paying customers, and create recurring documents for charges that occur over and over, such as a monthly service fee. You can also process credit card authorizations and settlements for those customers that pay by credit card. Using the Customer Information menu, you can set up customers and their ship-to locations, set up your various payment terms, print various customer reports such as AR agings, open items, ledger activity, or open deposits you've yet received. You can also create monthly statements to be sent to your customers, create month-end dunning letters, and also access credit card information. Now let's move on to the Accounts Payable module. Fitrix ERP Accounts Payable provides a comprehensive solution for managing your cash expenditures. It records transactions and obligations to vendors and offers flexible cash disbursement capabilities. Using the Payable Ledger menu, you can enter and post vendor invoices, print financial information about the activity created by the AP module, create recurring AP invoices for charges that occur over and over again, such as a monthly lease payment. Using the check processing menu, you can run a payments due report to see what's due to be paid, create checks based on the payments due report and then edit as needed, print and post your checks, reconcile your checking account, void any checks that were either processed in error or were lost in the mail. Using the vendor information menu, you can set up your vendors, set up your various payment terms, print vendor reports such as agings, activity ledgers, open items, and cash requirements, and process year-end 1099s. Let's move on to payroll. Fitrix ERP Payroll is designed to accommodate many payroll requirements while remaining simple to use. With the flexibility of this module, you can have daily, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly pay periods for both salaried and hourly employees. Using the Payroll Check menu, you can process your checks, and the process is a simple one. First, you enter any time card entries. Then, you run the Create Automatic Payroll to create payroll checks for both salaried and hourly employees. Next, you run the Update Payroll Entry program to edit the checks as needed. Then you print and post your checks. Lastly, you create your direct deposit entries and create the media to be sent to your financial institution. The reporting menu is used to print payroll analysis reports, print quarterly and year-end government reports, and create and print your W-2s. The employee menu is used to set up your company's employees, track employee history through online notes, and print employee wage analysis reports. Let's move on to fixed assets. Fitrix ERP Fixed Assets provides a comprehensive system to track your capital expenditures and includes functionality to calculate and post the depreciation at the end of each accounting period using multiple depreciation methods or books. Using the Depreciate Assets menu, you can set up your assets and track their location and any warranty or maintenance costs, book depreciation expense to your general ledger, post year-end adjustments due to short years or mid-quarter conventions. On the Fixed Assets Report menu, you have printing your GL activity, asset life summary, 4562 data, tax preference report, gain or loss report, and a report that will print any acquisitions. Let's move on to multi-currency. The Fitrix ERP multi-currency module makes handling different currencies within your accounting software easy. It automatically calculates exchange rates based on comparing your home currency to your vendor or customer's currency and posts your realized gain or loss due to currency fluctuations to the general ledger. Using the Setup menu, you set up your various currency codes and set up either daily or period exchange rates between each currency code and your home currency. On the main multi-currency menu, you can run AR aging reports in your customer's currency, AP aging or cash requirements reports in your vendor's currency, open sales order reports in your customer currency, or open purchase order reports in your vendor's currency. Let's move on to multi-level sales tax. The multi-level sales tax feature is used in the Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, and Order Entry modules. The first step is to set up your tax codes. Once the codes have been set up, you can group these codes by a group in the event that more than one type of tax is to be charged. When it is time to report taxes paid or collected to the various taxing authorities, you can run a report in either summary or detail format that will break down these taxes by tax code. This concludes the Accounting Modules Overview presentation. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to give us a call at the toll-free number listed on our website. Thank you for your time.